guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. A lot of people keep asking me that how I make my weekends so productive. So in this video, we'll be talking about 10 different ways to make your weekends a productive one. I know weekdays are so tiring for the people who are working 9 to 5 and for the students who need to maintain a schedule for their school and colleges. So by the end of this video, you will come to know that how you can balance both of these and how you can stand out from the crowd and maintain a productive weekend for yourself. So watch this video till the end. So if you like my video, hit the like button, to mention your thoughts in the comment section, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications of my latest videos. So let's get started. Learn a skill. We all want to grow in our life. Our weekdays are so much occupied with our work that we don't get time to upskill ourselves. You may not be too great at your work, then you can utilize your weekend time to enhance your skills. Take some courses on the web and get started. You can learn something new which interests you, anything that can help you to grow. Don't carry your office works on weekends. This is the rule which I strictly follow. I do not carry over my work on weekends. I always make sure to finish my office work by Friday evening. If not, I will take some extra time on Friday and finish the remaining work by midnight. Office work should not be dragged to Saturdays and Sundays. This will give you a break and help you to vent out your tiredness and boredom of doing the same stuff repeatedly. This little rule will bring immense personal and professional work-life balance in your life. Plan your next week. Every Sunday before going to bed, I just take my diary and pen and I do a small evaluation for myself. Like what went right in this week and what is my target for next week. What all things I need to take care of in the next week. When I write, things are clear in my head. I don't burden myself with work. Every little step makes a big difference in your life. So plan your week and trust me, this will make your complete week sorted. List out the things you wish to achieve in the following week so that you are oriented and motivated to achieve these small goals. These goals do not necessarily have to be very concrete. They can be simple goals like reading a book or making out some time to learn a new skill along with your work. This will not only make you productive but will also enhance your skill sets. Use opposite skills which you use on your weekends. Yes, you heard me right. This very thing has helped me to be productive in a long run. I am a software developer by profession and need to code all day in front of the screen. I usually don't prefer sitting in front of the screen on weekends. So what do I do on my weekends? I make content for you all. I create YouTube videos which lifts my mood, and with every video, I learn new things. Like for me, content writing, video recording, video editing, all are completely a new skill. Similarly, you should work on your hobby like playing an instrument, writing, cooking, or anything that lifts your mood and is different from what you do generally. Give your mind a break. 9 to 5 is a hectic job where you use your brain all day and eventually your brain gets drained. So it is very important to give our minds some break. After all, time off is good for your productivity and performance at work. 91% of the business leaders believe their employees return from breaks recharged and ready to work more effectively. Take 2 extra hours of sleep to make yourself more energetic. Good sleep will ensure you're high on energy and not groggy. Good sleep boosts your immunity and improves your memory power too. Declutter or arrange your living spaces. A lot of us simply have too much stuff. Why not spend some time over the weekend arranging it or getting rid of it little by little? Decluttering your living spaces will make you feel a lot better, especially if you can give some of those items to charity or sell them online. The cleaner the room, the better the thoughts. So if nothing, then arrange your stuff so that you can feel better the rest of the week. Plan something to avoid Sunday blues. Most of us are in the habit of getting into this Sunday blues where we feel bad that our weekend is going to over. The next tough and the busy week is going to start. So, to avoid this, make your Sundays full of fun, like you can plan a dinner with your loved ones, party with your friends, do whatever you love to do which makes you happy and engages you. When you end your weekend on a great note, it always makes your coming week productive one. So instead of crying about the weekend getting over, make it so lively that you will be cheerful enough to start a new week as well. Self care. Self care is the important thing which I do on my weekends. I make sure to treat my skin and hair well. I use some of the DIY packs to make skin and hair better. Because I'm a strong believer that when you look good, you feel good. When you feel good, things automatically fall into the right place. So, self care is very important. Make sure you utilize your weekend in the best way possible for your body as well. Spend time with your family. On weekends, make sure you take out time for your family and listen to them. Your family is the most important part of your life. We need to make sure that we do not miss what is going on in their life by being too much consumed in our work. On weekdays, we are so much occupied with our work that we barely get time to spend quality time with our family. So, to have a good relationship balance in life, it is important to spend time with your family. It can be in any form: binge watch a movie or a series, do gardening, go out for shopping, play video games, or just talk. Share what you feel and get to know what they feel. This will not only relieve you but also help you to open up to each other and thus bring you closer. Allot some self time. Rushing around and filling your time with all sorts of activities can be a great one, but will also be tiring. You may even feel at some point as though you have overdone it, or being constantly surrounded by activity and people can certainly take its toll on you, both mentally and physically. So, try to set some time aside for yourself when you can indulge yourself in a book or a movie, listen to some music, or just chill out. It's very important to find some me time for yourself. So in this video, I have talked about how to make your weekend a productive one. So if you like my video, hit the like button to mention your thoughts in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications of my latest videos. Thank you.